Want to supercharge your diet and feel amazing? Let's get started with low-carb living. Welcome, diet beginners. If you're looking to kickstart your low-carb journey, you've landed in the right place. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, lighter, and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. That's the power of a low-carb diet. So what's the deal with low-carb diets? It's simple. By cutting down on carbohydrates, you burn fat more efficiently, maintain steady energy levels, and reduce those pesky sugar cravings. Think of it as giving your body premium fuel, like switching from regular to high octane. First up, let's talk about what to eat. Fill your plate with lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu. Add plenty of leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli are your new best friends. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil? Absolutely. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is key. Next, let's bust a common myth. Low carb doesn't mean no carb. It's about choosing the right carbs, whole grains, fruits, and veggies that keep you full and satisfied longer. Sticking to a new diet can be tough, but you've got this. Stay active, keep moving, and remember, every small step is progress. Celebrate those wins no matter how tiny they seem. Ready to dive deeper? We've got a fantastic free diet and weight loss ebook just for you. Click the link in our profile and start your journey today. You're not just changing your diet, you're transforming your life. Let's do this together. Link in profile.